believe me, if you have done this, you will gain a lot of experience.
You will not be alone anymore in the university.
I feel like I have made a very right decision coming here.
I can connect it to combine with my business.
So basically, to be honest, I want to use English. I think that if I can use English for work in the future, then I can get more salary or something like that. And then I have to do this research about the major. This major, they provide a practical study. So I feel oh, maybe if I study here, I can get some experience, and maybe in the future I can have my own brand.
My father actually owns some business and I want to continue his business. So I enter in entrepreneurship program. It's kind of boost up my skills. We international have so many international friends. I have a lot of friends from Japan, Sweden. So I decided to entrepreneurship international.
I chose entrepreneurship because I've been wanting to solve problems from real people, especially where I grew up is Laos. I have seen the whole life of people suffering with, poverty or inequality. So that's sort of inspired me of what if I can make a business that can make a difference or create some sort of change in my society. And why Bangkok University? Because I've always wanted to learn something that is more practical and through action.
For me, why I choose this course, I want to be my own boss. I want to focus on my company and control my mood and tone of the business to be what I want.
I would like to say that in the first year, we will study everything just in general, just to know the overall area of business. For example, we will have foundation of entrepreneurship, creative thinking, and retail fair. For foundation of entrepreneurship, in this course, they will teach us the perspective of entrepreneur, the process of thinking and planning to do some business. And for creative thinking, we will learn how to develop the idea to be more creative, new, and innovative. And lastly, retail fair, which is my favorite part. So in this part, we will have to hold the event by ourselves. At the beginning, we have to come up with one business idea, like selling food, and we have to organize all the event from scratch.
As a second year student, sophomore year is kind of paving the way about the theory, business plan, calculate the financial, how to do the marketing for paving the way to the third year. And I would like to say about my subject that I really love about second year is about logistics and marketing, because BU International, we do the logistics with your real hand in the real case.
So by the year 3, you will really get to build your own businesses. So it's pretty much about the hands-on experience. So I would say third year would be the toughest year that you will get to actually do a lot of work, meeting after meetings, failures after failures, that you will have to explore a lot, that you will have to break your capability in trying to carry out the best product. As for the special subjects that we have to take during third year, pretty much get to learn the business experience 3, which will enable us to actually consult with the real world experts. So here you'll be equipped with all the frameworks that you need, PESTLES, SWOTs, the 4 Ps, whatever that is really pivotal for carrying out your startup idea.
This course can be everyone to practical in the job. We can do many process in the business. We have the CEO, we have the management, or the calculate the account and launch the product to contact with the factory for the real one to make the product to sell in the front. For the first year, it have an opportunity for the student to go to the abroad to look at the business. For my case, I went to the China and I'm go to see the business BYD, see the process, how they build the car. So it's kind of fun. They have many knowledge that's from the China trip. I think that's good for us to be an entrepreneur, right? We have to do the factory, the process of the company. So we have the connection from that we look at and we can use it for our company.
In the first year, I think adjusting into university life is kind of hard for me because I just come from Laos, right? And I have never studied in international program before. So there are a lot of things that I have to learn more than others. But after I attend to the club, I met a lot of people there and they're so nice. Yeah, so that I started having fun and enjoy my life.
Fun. Yeah, I joined a music international club, which is all of members is international members. So actually, I used to be like kind of shy in person and cannot speak English very well. So when I joined that club, it makes me like have many friends from Laos, Myanmar, and they all speak English like super good. So they make me speak English and make me translate English in Thai, Thai in English, and that it's kind of like boost up my connection and like improve my English skill also.
So by the year 3, actually along the way you'll get to participate in a lot of competitions. For example, myself, I have participated in several competitions. For example, the first year, which is the hackathon, ex Berkeley Skydeck, we actually managed to win the second prize for that particular competition. And then second year, we also get to participate in the Babson College competition for students, which focus purely on the sustainability. And for the third year, I'm currently doing a lot of business cases competition, both locally, domestic, and international. I feel like all these competitions and experiences really equipped you and shape your spirits in terms of entrepreneurial mindset. Especially this major, I feel like the most essential thing or useful thing that you will get is that entrepreneurial spirit.
It's kind of fun for me. So at first, I'm the BU International Club for the basketball. I am a president, so I have to hold my team to have a competition in the BU Diamond game. So it's kind of fun for the basketball one. And other one, I think I went to the orientation. I have the connection from Ajahn and they asked me to go to guest to talk with the students who want to come to join this major. So it made me to talk to many people and I know what they want.
If you're afraid that you're not good in English or how can you find a friend here, I would say that don't worry about that because people here are very open and there are a lot of activity. So believe me, you can like find a friend here so easy.
For those who have a dream about creating some business or continue family business, this major is kind of like fit in your dream. So see you in BU International Entrepreneurship Program.
If you're someone who is eager to learn or eager to make a difference, I feel like Bangkok University, it's really a valuable pathway for you that you can gain the actual insights, hands-on experiences, definitely adapt in your future. If you want to break all the rules, if you want to be creative, you can consider coming to Bangkok University Entrepreneurship major. I promise it's going to be a worth visit journey.
For those who want to join us, we have many benefits for you, like scholarship for master degree at Babson College. We offer double degree pathway with Macquarie University 2+2. For students who decide to earn 2 degrees with our partner Macquarie University in Australia, which is ranked by the QS World University ranking as a 5-star university. Hope to see you guys here. See ya!